in the planning department.
Technician.
Sales director.
Product managers,
warehouse executive,
I would say someone in the planning department. I just feel that it's more natural for me to work in the planning department, operation-wise, and also regarding all the jobs there. I also feel that it's such a fun environment to work with.
Technicians. Because HPMT provide many opportunities for technicians to develop their skills.
The sales director, as I believe his senior leadership position would provide me with valuable insights and the high-level decisions that are made that shapes the company's future.
okay, I would like to be the product manager specializing in life cycle management. I feel this role is crucial to streamline the products to get a better customer reach.
warehouse executive, because this role could allow me to have better understanding in supply chain process.